Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to sharpen your speaking skills and sound like a true native? Today we are tackling a topic that trips up even the most confident English learners. Are you mispronouncing these common English words? Get ready to improve your pronunciation and speak with crystal clarity. First up, a leafy green that's good for your health, but can be tricky for your tongue. Lettuce. Many people pronounce this with a ch sound at the end. It should have a clear s sound. Lettuce. For example, I'd like a salad with extra lettuce, please. Next, this word meaning frequently can be a bit of a silent surprise. Often. It's tempting to say often, but T is silent. Pronounce it often. Like in, I often go for a walk in the park. Now for a word that describes a dry sandy place. I'm talking about a desert. It's a mistake to pronounce it like the sweet treat. It has a short S sound and a single S sound. Desert. For instance, the Sahara is a vast desert. This next word sounds like a sleeping pharaoh, but watch out for that silent letter. It's a tomb. It's a mistake to pronounce B at the end. The B is silent. Say tomb. To demonstrate, the ancient tomb was filled with treasures. Feeling a headache coming on, you might reach for this common medicine, ibuprofen. This one has a few tricky spots, but a common one is stressing the wrong syllable. The stress is on the third syllable, ibuprofen. To illustrate, I need to take some ibuprofen for my headache. Let's keep going with words that play trick on us. How about this one, vegetable? People often say vegetable with 4 syllables. It's usually pronounced with 3 syllables, vegetable. For example, eating plenty of vegetables is good for you. This word describes something very old, ancient. Sometimes people add an extra sh sound. It's a crip sh sound, ancient. Like in, we visited an ancient castle. When you have a lot of something, you have plentiful. The common error is to pronounce the T strongly. The T here is very soft, almost like a D or a quick flap. Plentiful. For instance, the harvest was plentiful this year. This word means to praise. Applaud. The temptation is to pronounce the P in the second syllable. The P is silent. Applaud. To demonstrate, the audience began to applaud the performance. Need to make something clear, you need to clarify. Sometimes the R sound can be too strong or misplaced. It's a clear soft R followed by a distinct E sound. Clarify. To illustrate, can you clarify what you mean? This word means to examine something closely. Analyze. The mistake here is in the pronunciation of the Y at the end. It has a long I sound, analyze. For example, let's analyze data from the experiment. And finally, a word that describes something essential or very important. Crucial. People often pronounce the ch at the end as if it were sh. It's a clear sh sound, crucial. Like in, it's crucial to get enough sleep. And there you have it, 12 common English words that can often cause confusion. Which of these words did you find most surprising? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning and keep shining.